Welcome to Unity Montessori School. We are so glad to greet you today. Our school has opened its door since 19 years ago, and it is located in Grand Galaxy City, South Bekasi, which has a very accessible, safe and secure environment. We believe that education is the best investment for the futures of our children. And Unity Montessori Schools provides that. We commit to develop strong foundation of education to improve their good character, social, emotional, motoric skills, language, and cognitive. We apply different language, Indonesia, English, and Mandarin, supported by our professional and nurturing teachers in warm and loving atmospheres. The materials in Unity Montessori schools are grouped into 5 areas: practical life, sensorial, mathematics, language, and cultures. Our schools develop 4 main principles of education. That the first is friendly education, good character and leadership, academic and non-academic excellence, and international environment. We also provide digital class program where teachers and students use digital tools to communicate, collaborate, and access educational content. Unity School is one of the best schools in Bekasi. So parents, I would like to invite all of you to come and join with us and to get information regarding to the upcoming school year. Thank you very much.